A very good morning to all my friends. You are watching Eternal Biology by Gaurav Sharma, and here I am, Gaurav Sharma, MBBS first year student at GR Medical College, Gwalior. So let's start. And today we all know that we are going to discuss about the high yielding facts of coronavirus, which can be asked in the NEET 2020, as it is the most serious and contemporary topic of today's world. So let's start the discussion. So first point about coronavirus is what coronavirus is also known as. So the fact is that it is also known as the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, that is MERS. So the MERS virus, MERS, MERS virus is also another name of coronavirus. So I repeat that Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, that is MERS, is another name of coronavirus. Okay? MERS virus is coronavirus. Now let's talk about the genome of coronavirus. So you must know that the genome of coronavirus is single-stranded RNA. Yes, the genome of coronavirus is single-stranded RNA, and whose genomic size is 27 to 32 kilobase pair, and note it that it is the largest genome among the RNA viruses. Okay, it is the largest genome among the RNA viruses, having the genomic weight as 27 to 32 kilobase pairs. Okay, so we have talked about its genome, and now let's talk about where it was found first. So as we all know that China, Wuhan city, Wuhan, it was first found in the world, and in India the first case of coronavirus was reported in Kerala. Next we can come to the point that how this test of coronavirus is being done. So the technique which is used to test coronavirus is polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR, and in biotechnology we are knowing that PCR was discovered by Kary Mullis. One more thing about the genome is that since it is being single-stranded RNA, and in biological classification of 11th standard NCERT, it is written that most of the plant affecting viruses are single-stranded RNA, and most of the correlations which we get about the coronavirus from our NCERT. And one more thing, friends, I want to tell you that the genome of coronavirus is positive sense RNA. Now what is positive sense? For till notice, you must remember that positive sense RNA is that RNA whose polarity is from 5' to 3', and negative sense RNA is one RNA who's having polarity from 3' to 5'. And for translating into the protein, we need an RNA having polarity from 5' to 3'. And its example is coronavirus. Coronavirus is an example of positive sense, and influenza virus is an example of negative sense RNA. And negative sense RNA needs RNA dependent RNA polymerase, which converts the negative sense into positive sense, and then positive sense further translates into protein. If you are interested in understanding the positive sense and negative sense RNA, check the description. I have uploaded my handwritten notes about the positive sense and negative sense RNA. So this is some of the high yielding facts which can be asked in NEET 2020 about coronavirus. So I hope that you guys loved my video, and it is a very short video, and hope you guys watched it full. And if you liked it, then please share, subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you, friends.